On November 16, 2024, officers were called to a residence after a man fired a handgun 3 times inside the house while his mom was there.
He fired a weapon in here? Okay, step out. Step out.
Don't.
Step out. Down that way. Somebody come in and watch my back. Shh. Shh.
Hello?
Granger?
Yep.
Hey, it's Officer Redmond. What's going on, bud?
Not a lot, buddy. You can come on in here. Yep.
You on you?
No.
No, what was that shot that was fired? Can you do me a favor and pass the gun out now? Don't have a gun now?
No, sir. I'm sitting here with a cigarette in my hand.
Okay. Can you do me a favor then? Slowly backwards, walk out the room. Slowly. Very slowly. Hands on top of your head. On your head. On your head. Hands on your head. There. All right, now slowly walk backwards towards me. Don't reach. Put your hands up. Put them up. Put them up. Put them up. Put your hands up for me. Just keep them on top of your head for me. Now walk backwards with your hands up. Keep them up. Walk backwards. Keep hands up. Keep coming. Watch. Keep your hands up. That's what you do. Walk backwards with your hands up. Do not turn around. Do not turn around. Just keep walking backwards. Keep walking backwards. Keep doing that for me. Come on. Keep doing that for me. Keep coming back. Keep your arms up. Backwards. Backwards. Just keep going this way. Okay, that's cool. That's cool. That's fine. Just walk backwards. Keep coming. I got it. You're good.
What are you doing?
Just
Till we figure things
You're
out.
not under arrest.
You're going to be detained until we can figure things out.
Oh.
Put that cigarette in your mouth, give me your hand.
The man fired a handgun 3 times, recklessly, without regard for the safety of the person living there with him.
Male 26. No weapons?
No.
Okay. Cool.
Where's the gun, Granger?
Do what now?
Where's the gun?
So what happened with the gun? Not where did it go? I understand you don't have it anymore.
Yeah.
There was an incident. A round went off.
Yeah.
Where did it go off?
It was supposed to be at my head.
Okay. Where though? Into the roof, into the wall?
I don't know.
No? Where were you?
He put it to his head and pulled it.
Yes. I asked him what happened. I said it went off. Why did it go off? And he said, well, it was supposed to shoot me in the head. So,
In here?
in the bedroom.
We can't find the bullet. We can't find anything.
Keep an eye on him. Let me look around real quick. Three. Right there.
One bullet casing. I don't know how I got it. I guess I kicked it over.
Well, if he was sitting over here, sitting on the bed when he fired, it could have rolled that direction.
What's that,
That's
man?
the direction it would be going.
Yeah. And then she
I know.
She picked up one next to the bed, and then she picked up. I forgot what
Where's the gun?
Patterson's house.
If you walk in her room,
He shot 3 rounds inside the house.
it's over yonder.
Best I got is Reckless. Is it?
Yeah, I've never even seen that kind of brand.
Oh, Stoker?
He was in. She was not. She was in her room. He was in the other room.
Across the house.
He won't even tell his own parents.
Both.
How many were there? How many empties were there?
Oh, no, there was just another gun. And I
Another
hit
gun?
it. Yeah,
Oh,
a handgun.
did he have it with him?
No, it was up above his head.
Oh,
I took it. Did y'all find the holes?
Yes.
Where were they at?
On the floor.
On the floor? In the floor?
Mm-hmm.
He don't need no gun.
I agree with that.
Give Daddy that other gun.
It would not be a bad idea to have them not here when he comes back at
Any
the time he
all
comes
them
back.
rifles are in there too. I don't know when bullets
Well,
are.
if they ended up at his daddy's house, nobody's going to complain.
Or Ricky. I can take him to Ricky and Ricky can take him in.
Anywhere we can.
'Cause
Okay. Let me go outside. I'm going to talk with my sergeant. And we
can
see
I
what we
come
can
out
do.
there and sit with him?
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah,
Who'll hang around?
Lieutenant.
damn, I ain't gonna hurt nobody.
You're a good man, Ranger.
I try to be, dude.
Like I said, if you start drinking,
I try to be.
So y'all gonna pick him up for me. One more trip.
10.
Fair enough. I tried.
Well, you look like you cut back on a little weight.
I
You looked bad 2 weeks ago.
kind of hard to find except for that.
well, you gotta start looking first, Ranger.
I lock them down so they don't get any tighter. Or loose.
They can just let him move.
You tired, could you? I wouldn't recommend you run that one.
I ain't doing nothing, dude. I'm playing. Okay. Okay, I'm playing.
That's on you.
That's a big old. That's a big old boy,
Hey.
Ranger.
He is a big old boy.
Shit, he ain't happy.
That's a big fella.
He was arrested and charged with reckless endangerment for the reckless discharge of a firearm inside a residence. All individuals featured in this video are presumed innocent until proven guilty in a court of law. This video is for educational purposes only